Hey you guys, another kit review today. What we got is Subaru Impreza WRC from Tamiya, the famous Tamiya racing cars in 124 scale, number 199. Uh, Beautiful kit, you guys, as you would expect from Tamiya. Very precise modeling, very nice design. Colored plastic allows you basically to build the model without any paint, maybe like a tiny amount of black or silver paint you will need. Just you can build it out the box and it will look great, you guys, with all those decals. Check out the quality, all nicely packed. The body, the door panels, the seats, racing seats, bucket seats there. A lot of detail. The wheel rims. Uh, Check out the tires. The tires with protected detail there, like half slicks or something, like rally tires. The mesh there for the front grille. You will put it here, obviously. And there is some bearings, these Tamiya style plastic bearings that allow the wheels to spin very nicely. You just put them inside the wheel hubs, and the wheels will spin very nicely, you guys. This car will also roll. You don't expect that from like a scale model kit, but these cars roll real nice. Very detailed instructions. You guys welcome to pause to read this stuff. The famous Impreza WRX WRC World Rally Championship Impreza. Very nice decals there. Cars for Colin McRae and Piero Lianti, if I'm not mistaken, the other driver from Team Subaru that year. The car depicts 1998 Monte Carlo stage, WRC Monte Carlo stage. See, there is detail with the front lighting for night racing. There's your instructions there. That's very nice. Engine detail, suspension detail, roll cage, all very realistic, you guys, as always with Tamiya, I think. Oh, the full engine is there, bro. It's very nice. It's very nice. Okay, the assembly. And they also give you the masks, you guys. Check this out. The masks are there. It's very easy to mask and paint your windshield and glass overall. Again, very nice decals with 555 or this one. Which one you get? Again, you guys, very nice kit. Highly recommend it. Please like and subscribe and follow for more.